Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about a bag. Today I wanted to do a Coach unboxing. So if you like Coach unboxings, today I wanted to talk a little bit about a couple of the bags that I recently picked up from the Coach outlet. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's jump right in with the video. So I have this lovely bag right here, and Coach. So this is the box that the lovely items that I ordered came in, a couple of items, and most of the items were wrapped really well. However, this particular bag right here was only wrapped in the wrapping paper that you see right here by Coach outlet. So the two other items that I ordered came completely wrapped with the plastic and everything. However, this item right here, for some reason, the associate or whoever wrapped it just put it in the tissue paper, but that's okay. I'm loving this item. So what I wanted to talk about today was the Coach Sullivan Sling pack. So here it is right here. This one is going to be really easy to unwrap because, like I said, it was partially unwrapped anyway. It is a signature piece. So I'm thinking, I don't know if maybe this was one that was out on display. So it was already unwrapped and they just had to, for me, when I purchased it, since they wanted to send it to me and say it was in stock, they went ahead and grabbed it, I guess, and just wrapped it like this. Whereas the other ones, they had extras in the back, and that's why they came plastic wrapped. So this one was very easy to unwrap because they had already unwrapped it basically, but it is a new item. And here it is right here. It's the Coach Sullivan Sling pack. So this is a piece from the men's line, and I absolutely love these. You guys know, if you watch my channel, these are unisex bags. Men and women can use them, and they come so in handy, like if you're going just out for a day for errands, or if you're going to an amusement park. If you want to be hands-free, these are easy bags to sling across you, like a crossbody, but just more across you. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And I love the signature pieces in my handbag collection. Stay tuned for my Coach signature collection video coming up. So this is the piece that it has right here that basically you're going to be able to use. You know, the sling packs are like backpacks, except for they only have one strap where you can sling it across you. So I'll go ahead and insert some pictures of me wearing some of my other Coach sling packs. And like I said, these are for men or women, so men or women can wear these, and they are sold in the Coach men's section online or in the store. And it can hold pretty much. It has a pocket. It has a zip pocket in there. You might not be able to see it, but it has a zip pocket in there against one wall, and then it has a slip pocket against the other wall. So I have a few items right here, and I wanted to just go ahead and show you how I go ahead and pack this cute bag, how anyone can pack this bag. So of course, the main thing that you're going to want to bring with you when you're out and about with this bag is your cell phone. So I have my cell phone right here, and it can fit really nicely. Then I have a couple of Coach card cases right here, just a regular card case, and then the zip card case by Coach. Either one of these two cases can fit as a wallet in here with your cell phone, or you can bring both if you like. So either one of these two cases would be able to fit in here. And of course, you're going to need your keys. So I have my key ring right here, my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and that would be able to fit as well. So I have my cell phone, 2 card cases, and a 6-ring key holder, and I still have space in this lovely bag. So I still have a lot of space for other items if I wanted to bring a few more additional items with me. You know, as a man or as a woman, any additional items that you would want to bring with you would be able to fit. It is a very slim, streamlined sling pack, and it's really nice for your collection. It's still available online right now for a great price. Coach's outlet has been having great prices online for all of their bags, and they're discounted with codes or just with a certain percentage off. And the good thing about this bag is it has this loop. It has the D-ring right here on the side, or the O-ring, where you can adjust it to wear it crossbody to your preference, either to the right or to the left. So it depends on how you would want to, how you want to attach it. and wear it, you know, across you. So it can go either way, and it has the mesh against the back. So what I like about these bags is that it has mesh right here. So when it's up against your body, it's soft. It's not hard. It's going to fit you really, really comfortable. And then here are the tags for it. The good thing about the men's, for some reason they do this on the men's bags. They don't tend to do this on the women's lines bags as much. But if I notice for my pieces that I've, like my Thompson bag, which is a travel bag, you normally get 2 tags. You'll get a metal tag and then you'll get a leather tag. And they tend to do that for most of their men's line bags. You get 2 tags for some reason. You'll get, like this one has a gunmetal type hardware tag. That's, you know, a gunmetal brass or gunmetal hardware tag, and then it has the leather tag as well. Whereas the ladies' bags, some of them have more than 1 tag, but sometimes they'll only have 1 tag. So I like that you get double tags or that you get 2 tags with the men's items. So this is my lovely Coach Sullivan Sling pack. And this can be worn by a man or a woman, like I said, and it's very nice for a casual day out, for a theme park, for an amusement park, for the beach, for out shopping. If you go to work and you have maybe a briefcase and you just want another sling pack or like a purse to put your items in as a man or a woman, this serves a great purpose. So thank you so much for watching my video on this Coach Sling Pack, the Sullivan Sling Pack. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Coach unboxings. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!